Hello everyone. Today I will show you all how to make this smooth text animation in Alight Motion. Let's start the tutorial. Head over to Alight Motion and get ready with your clips. Add a new text layer and write whatever your dialogue is supposed to be. We will adjust the font, its alignment and size. Make sure that the box you see around your text, you need to make that box a little bit larger than the actual text. This plays an important role in our animation. Now go to Effects and add text spacing. Select line spacing and bring down its value a little bit. Now select letter spacing and add a keyframe here at 0. Move this keyframe to the end of the layer. Now change the value to around 130 to 140%. Now open Graph Settings and copy my graph. If your text changes its alignment, just adjust the size of the box and it will be okay. Now go to Move and Transform. Select the Scale property and add a keyframe here. Move this keyframe to the end of the layer. Now increase the value a little bit and move this keyframe to the starting of the layer. Make the same graph as before. Now head over to Effects and add Text Transform. Go to Transform and change the alpha value to 1. Now select the Range property. Select the End option and add a keyframe here by making its value down to 0. Move forward in your timeline. Add a keyframe here by making the value to 100. At the same position, select Start option and add a keyframe here. Move to the end of the layer and add a keyframe there by bringing up the value to 100%. You can see our animation is done, but it's choppy. To fix this, we will head over to Text Transform and open Interpolation and Easing. Select the Overlap option and make its value to 1000%. I forgot to add the graph here, so let's quickly do it. And our smooth animation is almost done. We just need to add some glow to our layer. Select your layer and convert it into a group. Go to Effects and add Soft Glow. You can also add your own glow settings as well. You can copy my settings if you want to. And that's it. Your smooth text animation is complete. If you have any problem, let me know in the comments section. Thank you for watching.